We're down here in one of our projects in Norman. They had a bunch of storm damage from July 4th, a bunch of wind. There's a lot of big trees down here. So this is on a flat roof, and you can see where the tree fell over and hit there, and hit over there, and it caused penetrations into the roof and allowed water to get in the house. And so we had to come through here and find where all the water damage was at. And so anywhere there's wet walls, we're just taking it out, and we kind of put tape on the wall so we knew where to tell our demo guys where to take the water damaged sheetrock out. And by looking at this wall, you wouldn't see that there's any damage. This is why we use some moisture meter we use to check for moisture. And you see there it's pegging out. So that's how we find that out. And so there's some damage here. We already took out the carpet because it was wet. And you'll see here where it poked through, big tree poked through. You see right there where it broke the truss right there on the corner. Did a lot of damage. It's gonna be a mess to put back together. But this whole ceiling's wet in this room, that outside wall, and you can't even tell without putting the moisture meter on it. Wet up top. There you go. Just wanted to show you guys a quick little view of what we're dealing with today. This one, the whole ceiling fell through. This whole wall, this whole room is wet from floor to ceiling. We went ahead and put some dehumidifiers in here just to kind of stabilize the humidity and keep the humidity low. Anyway, thanks for watching.